video to fix black screen issues in Baldur's Gate 3, and it will make your game run perfectly again. Are you facing a black screen every time you launch Baldur's Gate 3? You are not alone. This problem usually happens because your graphics settings or drivers are not set correctly. Many guides on YouTube or social media show complicated steps. They're hard to follow and take too much time. But today on Rexist, I will share a secret, easy trick that solves this problem in minutes. This simple method works, even if other solutions failed. You don't need to spend hours trying random fixes. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do. Comment below, and I will make it just for you. Follow this trick, and your Baldur's Gate 3 will start without black screens, smoothly and fast. Rexist makes gaming fixes simple, so you can enjoy playing again